Here we go, another random item off Thingiverse. This one is a Fidget toy. Another one of those business card or credit card sized kits. It's getting a little bit late in the evening, so I've just positioned this to get the last of the daylight coming through the windows. Ooh, that didn't print very well. Well, that's nothing to do with the design, that's just my printer playing up again. Or my settings. I've been playing around with the settings recently because I'd slowly push the heating right up because I'd been using, I can't remember which filament it was, but one that needs more heat than the PLA that I normally use, and I hadn't put it back down again. So recently I'd turned it back down again, but that looks like that just didn't grip on the bed. As I say, nothing to do with the design, that's my settings. And this is just a fidget toy, not a fidget spinner. Just something to occupy yourself. Right, and that's the two lugs that go through. Okay, so can we hide the way that that's like that, or shall we use it as a feature? Whatever we do, we've got to trim it a little bit. Yeah, it's gone on okay. Looks like we're going to have to put some glue on them now. And that's the general idea, they just sit like that and you amuse yourself with them. Well, apart from the fact I didn't, I had a bit of an iffy print there, I'm not impressed. Those are a bit too loose. They ought to be a bit tighter to grip. Because even if I put glue on there, they're going to be a bit loose. Or can we push it on further? No, it's still going to be loose, whatever I do. So that's it. That's your fidget toy to go in your pocket and keep your hands occupied. Yeah, I'll put a bit of glue on that. But that's it. assembled. Job done. Link in the video description to the original files. Well, I really wasn't happy with that. There was quite a gap at either end where the peg that goes through was loose. So I fixed that with baking powder and super glue. You just put a glob of super glue on there and then pour baking powder over it straight away and it goes off rock solid. So that's what I've done. So yeah, there we go. Now we've got a fidget toy, which I'm having trouble fidgeting with. There we go. I'm sure there's tricks you could do with it.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.